wonder where I've been. Guess you wonder where I've been.
Hey YouTube, it's Ivory and I'm back with another video. Let me start this video off by saying thank you so much to the new supporters. Those of you who join my lives, like my videos, support my business. I appreciate all of you so much and I'm so happy that you guys get to be with me on this journey. Today I woke up to 3 orders, so right now you see me sanitizing my desk before I pack them. Shout out to Beaded Beauty Forever. She told me that I should do a long video of me packing orders, so this is the perfect day to do that. I did tell you guys I'm going to be doing longer videos, so feel free to give other suggestions for what you want to see on this channel. This order is from Nancy. She ordered the fall bundle. The fall bundle is the whole fall collection, but you get all 6 items at a discounted price. So yeah, we're just going to get her order packed up and then I'll show you guys the next order. Also, it is an Ivories Jewelry tradition to add a free bracelet with every order. So I'm trying to find one that matches what you already got. But yeah, that's just something I like to add just to show my appreciation to my customers. I just now started adding motivational stickers to all orders too. camera ended up cutting off, so I had to free up about 10 gigabytes worth of storage before I continued. Right now I'm about to pack her freebie, and yeah. I like the idea of me showing behind the scenes because in my shorts you can't really tell how careful I am and how much I take my time. I truly believe that presentation is everything. No one wants to receive their order with things just thrown around. But yeah, I definitely do take my time. Also, I'm thinking of adding a free piece of candy or, like something like that. I used to add free lashes, but not everyone wears lashes, so I'm trying to add like a free little gift that anyone would love. Oh yeah, let me know if you guys like my new business cards. Now I'm just gonna put everything away. Let me know if I should do a video on my whole shipping process. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. If you're interested in shopping with me, press the link in my bio that's on my channel, or the link is also in the description box. Have a blessed day and stay fabulous.